This is a 2011 Volvo S80. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and a 3.2-liter inline six-cylinder engine. Features include a moonroof, a low tire pressure indicator, alloy wheels, leather seats, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, the Intelligent Driver Information System, ISOFIX child safety seat anchors, 8-way power adjustable seats, and this vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. With an EPA estimated rating of 29 miles per gallon on the highway, more money will stay in your pocket rather than pour into the fuel tank. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Texas Import Sales is located at 14807 Venture Drive in Dallas. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.